So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can test the dead pixels of your laptop screen. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser. You can do the same test if you have a PC screen or something else that you want to check the display of. Now here you have to search for dead pixel test.org. Just simply search this dead pixel test.org. Once you do it, just simply go to this website, and here you can see just simply click on this option of dead pixel test for computers. When you click over there, here you can see it says test your screen for dead pixel, and once you hit start, here you can see the multiple color palettes are generated, of which you can use to test if there are any dead pixel all over your screen or not. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.